Welcome today in the daily newspaper, in the additional of Saturday's newspaper on July the 25th, 2020. We continue with the third Sudoku, a 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 1226. And before I start, I always count the numbers, the printed numbers. So we have a 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 4 is 14 plus 4 is 18, 20, 24, 25. Correct. So let's get started. 3, 5. Let me see. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2, 7, yeah. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Three, 4. 3 missing numbers. The 3, 4 and the 8. 3, 4 and 8. 3, 4, 8. We see here 3 and 4. So one digit left should be the 8. Here we have the 3 and a 4. Let me mark them for you. 4 and a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 8 and a 5. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 7, 1, 4. Yes. We have a 4 and a 1 here in this big square. These two numbers are missing, so no 4 and a 1 in these two boxes. So the 4 and a 1 goes in those two boxes. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. The 7 and the 6 are missing. Let me mark them for you. 2 boxes left in the middle row. The numbers are the 5 and the 2. 5 and the 2. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then 9, 2, 2. 3 here, 3 there, 3. 8 is missing. 9. We have a 9 here, 9 there. So in this column, 3 places for the 9, but we see here 9, no 9. These two black boxes should be a 9. 4 here, 4 in the row below, so in the last row these 3 boxes should be a 4. We see here 4, no 4, there 4 should be here. Five in this column, 5 in that column, middle column, these 2 boxes should be a 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 8. 9. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Two numbers left, the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. The only 3 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be in these 2 boxes. Same like in this column. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, these 2 boxes should be a 4. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. I have marked these 2 boxes with the 5. 1 5 is eliminated, so this should be the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above, so in that row the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there, and I have eliminated the 9. The 9 should be then there, and all the 5s are used. I can see, yes, alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above, so in that row the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. These 2 boxes, 1 and a 9, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between, the only 3 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there, the only place for the 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used, I can see. 1, 2, 3, 8, 3, 8 and 6. 8, 8. We have 8 here, 8 there, so these 2 boxes should be an 8. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so in the last row the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so in the column next. One of these 3 boxes should be a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here or there. Same with these 3 boxes. We have a 1 here, 1 there. So here 1 or there 1. For 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. 2 and a 3. Cannot feel this yet. 2 and a 3. 7. 3, 3. 3, 3. Yeah. These two boxes should be a 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in these two boxes. 3 is missing, 6 is missing, 7 is missing. We have a 7 here, so no 7 in these two boxes, so the 7 could be here or could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, we have a pair with the 7, with the 4. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. Up here, 3 and 2, 3 and 2, 3, 2, 6 is missing, 8 is missing, 2, 2, 2. 3, 7, 6 is missing, and 2 is missing here. Wait, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 2. These boxes should be a 2. 4, 2, 4, 8, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 7, 7. 1, 2, 7, 6, and we need a 3 in this column. 3 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 4. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 1 box missing in this column for the number 2. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now I have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and I have eliminated the 7. So 1 place left for the 7 should be there. 2 places left for the 6 and the 2. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. And I have eliminated the 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 1 box left in the first column for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, sorry, in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And now I have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 7 and 6 are left here. 2 boxes left. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I have eliminated the 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Now I have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 7, 6 is missing. 7, 6 is missing. 7, 6 is missing. 7, 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now I have a 7, so this cannot be a 7, this should be a 6, this should be the 7, we have a 7 here, so this should be the 6, and this should be the 7, we have a 7 here, so this should be a 6, this should be the 7, 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I see you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later and bye bye.